Welcome back to another episode of FitFormulas TV, where we explore the secrets of optimal health and peak performance. Today, we're delving into the crucial topic of how to naturally increase your testosterone levels. Testosterone, the hormone responsible for muscle growth, energy levels, mood, and overall health, plays a vital role in both men and women. To start, optimizing your diet is key. Focus on incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, along with lean proteins and zinc and vitamin D-rich vegetables such as spinach and mushrooms. Avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods can help maintain healthy hormone levels. Moving on to sleep, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night is essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Establishing a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation and avoiding screens before bed can aid in achieving restful sleep. Exercise is another powerful tool in naturally increasing testosterone levels. Incorporating both strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your routine can significantly boost testosterone levels and aid in fat loss, which can impact hormone levels. Managing stress is crucial, as high levels of stress can increase cortisol levels, negatively impacting testosterone. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve hormone balance. When considering supplements, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen. Some studies suggest that supplements like zinc, vitamin D, and ashwagandha can help boost testosterone levels, but it's essential to approach supplementation wisely. In conclusion, by incorporating these 5 actionable steps into your daily routine, you can naturally increase your testosterone levels and experience improvements in energy, mood, and performance. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and fitness tips from FitFormulas TV. Stay committed to your health and fitness journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. Thank you for tuning in to FitFormulas TV.